how to fix JazzCash login problem, JazzCash login not working. So if you're having issue while you're trying to log into the JazzCash application, first of all open up JazzCash, and once you're there, just make sure that your credentials are correct, such as like your phone number or anything like that. Make sure that your mobile number is correct, and only then you can try to log in. You can also explore as a guest, but to unlock more features, then you will simply need to have to go ahead and then basically use your phone number to log in. So if you're still not being able to log in, there are a couple of reasons why this could be happening. Now normally you can just go ahead and then try to long press the JazzCash application, tap on the I button to come to its app info page, then scroll down over here, then just go to storage, then clear the cache files, and if possible also try to clear the data. Once you've done that, go to your Play Store or your App Store and simply check if the JazzCash app has an update, and if it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version, and hopefully this should be able to help you solve your problem. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.